If you need to concentrate on an activity that's different from the provided focus options, set up a custom focus. Here's how, right from Control Center. On your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center. Then tap Focus. Tap the New Focus button. And tap Custom. Choose an icon, color, and name your focus. For this example, we'll create a travel focus. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your focus. After you set up your custom focus, here's how to turn it on. On your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center. Then tap Focus. Now, tap the focus you just created to turn it on. Time to focus.